the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless version 1 with us today for unboxing. This is actually my second pair. I've had this one earlier, but there was a battery issue in it about 6 months or 8 months into the usage, and then Sennheiser was good enough to give me a replacement. I got a brand new piece. It's already unsealed because when they give it to you, they kind of rip the seal off just to make sure it's not being sold again. Uh, so this comes with 2 years of warranty. Overall, I'll just go through the features quickly. Both the earbuds have touch controls on them. It works with whichever voice assistant that you have. Battery backup could have been better. This comes with 4 hours, on the earbuds itself, with an additional 2 charges in the box. So that's about 4 plus 8, 12 hours total. And we'll talk more about that in a bit, right? So let's just get cracking and see what's in it. I can just get it to open. So really a no frills product, right? I love the case. It's got really good, fabric coating on it. Something that would age well. I used it about, for about 6 months, 8 months. It was with me for about a year, and I can safely say that the material did not tear, it did not discolor, and it held up pretty well, right? If there's anything I could have hoped for, the lid is a bit shaky, little bit of play here, but nothing that's a deal breaker, right? But all in all, the case is pretty good. We talk about the earbuds themselves, all plastic finish. It has this metal kind of plate on it, not really metal, maybe it is, I don't know, but again, can't really complain about the build quality, right? They're light, they aren't too big, they don't stick out of your ears when you wear them. So again, talking from experience, so nothing really to complain about here, but pretty good, right? So comes with this quick little note telling you how to get started. Let's just see what else do we have in here. Okay, so we have comes with the USB-C cable for charging, your standard run-of-the-mill manuals, and 3 extra pairs of ear tips, right? So that's always helpful because helps with getting the right size down. So that's basically all it comes with. Okay, by no means a review, but since I've used this product, I think excellent sound quality, right? And one of the best earbuds I've heard in terms of sound. The bass is deep, it's punchy. The highs are clear, they are quite pronounced. The sound stage this kind of produces is unlike anything else at this price range. And the best part is right now, if you want to buy this, it's available for 12,999 on Amazon, which is a great deal, and you have some card offers as well. You can get some additional cash back. So again, the product is a bit dated, but I think great value for money right now if you can live with the subpar battery backup, right? Because some of the units do have a draining issue in the case itself, right? So basically what happens is you place the earbuds in the case and the case never stops charging them even once the earbuds are fully charged, right? So as a result, what happens is in 2 days, your unit basically runs out of battery even when it's on standby, right? So that's maybe the only risk you kind of live with. But then Sennheiser has a great replacement policy. I got this pair. I'm hoping it works well, but I've got a couple of other friends who've got replacements and they're happy with the product. So that's basically been it. See you in the next video.